Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, which is odd one out in this set? And we have given the four terms. Let us consider first one, KOSW. Now for this, we can observe after skipping the three letters, means after K, there will be L, M, N. Okay, so after that O will come. Then after O, if we skip three letters P, Q, R, write this in a small. After K there will be L, M, N. Then O will come. So after O there will be P, Q, R. So S will come. And after S, T, U, V. Okay. So W will come. Similarly, for the next one, we can check B, E, J, I. Here, after B, if we skip two letters, C and D, E will be there. After E, F, G, H, there will be, and I, there will be J. Then after J, K, L, M, N, there will be I. Here we can observe there is no fixed order for the letters. Then let us check E, I, M, Q. After E, F, G, H, then I, J, K, L, then M, N, O, P, then Q. Okay, and for I, M, Q, U, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. So here we can observe that only this term is odd. Hence our correct option is option C.